Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Make Progress. In this video, we are going to learn how to do multiplication in seconds. Generally, how do you multiply 66 and 64? We'll multiply 4, 6, 24, 2 carried, 4, 6, 24, 24 plus 2, 26, 6, 6, 36, 3 carried, 6, 6, 36, 36 plus 3, 39, and we'll add. So we will get answer 4224. This is generally a common method and it also takes more time. So in this video, I am going to tell you how to multiply the numbers with full accuracy and in just few seconds, and also we doesn't need any paper to do this multiplication. We can do it in our head. So it's interesting, right? You might be thinking, how can we do the multiplication without even writing it on a paper? And that too with complete accuracy and in just few seconds. Yeah, that's possible. So for that, let's see the multiplication trick 1. If the sum of the digits at units place is 10 and the remaining digits are same, then we are going to use this technique, that is the trick 1. So let's see few examples. 66 into 64, 57 into 53, 49 into 41. We have already seen the multiplication, the general multiplication of 66 and 64. So here, by using trick 1, how can we do that? So before doing this, we have to check whether the sum of the digits at unit place is 10 or not, and also the remaining digits are same or not. So if you observe here, the sum of the digits at units place is 10. That is 6 plus 4 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, and also 9 plus 1 is also 10. So, and also here the remaining digits are same. So we can apply this trick 1. At first we have to multiply both the units digits. The 6, 6, 4 is 24. We'll write 24 directly there. And then the number left, that is it is 6, so we have to multiply by 6 plus 1, that is 6 into 6 plus 1, that is 6 7s 42. So the answer is 4224. See, we got it in a single step, and that too just few seconds. And let's see the next example. 7 3 is 21. We'll write 21 directly there, and 5 is multiplied by its next number, that is 5 into 6, 30. So answer is 3021. Next one, 9 ones 9. Here, if you observe, we are going to write here 9 as 09. Always remember, even though if you multiply the units digits, if you got a single number, here for example you got only 9, write 0 before it. We by using this trick, we'll be doing the multiplication, so we should follow the rules of the trick. Here we have to write it in a 2-digit number, that is 09. Even though we got only 9, we had to write it as 09. And next, 4 is multiplied by its next number, that is 4 into 5, 20. The answer is 2009. And then let's see other multiplications by using this trick 1. Let's see, we can do it directly here. See, 5 5 is 25. 2 is multiplied by its next number, 2 3 is 6. So answer is 625. Next, 5 5 25. 3 is multiplied by its next number, that is 3 into 4. 3 4 is 12. Next, 2 8 is 16. 8 is multiplied by its next number, 8 9 72. Answer is 7216. So let's see other few examples so that we can get better practice for this trick. So here, if you observe here the same, the unit digits, sum of the unit digits is 10 and the remaining digits are same. See, if you observe even here also, the sum of the units digit for the first multiplication, 1 plus 9 is 9 and the remaining digit is 11. It's same here. So we can apply this trick. So here 9 ones 9, we'll write it as 0 9. Always remember, we'll write it as 0 9, not 9. Okay, and 11 is multiplied by its next number, that is 11 12 132. We'll write 132 here. See, if you don't write 0 9 there, the answer will be 1329, which is wrong. The answer is 13209. So let's see the next one. 7 3 is 21. 7 is multiplied its next number, 7 8 is 56. So the answer is 5621. Next one, 6 4 is 24. 9 is multiplied by its next number, that is 9 10 90. So here is a trick 1 we have done. So we got it in a single step and that too full, that it with full accuracy. We doesn't need to recheck it because we got it in single step and we can do it directly in our mind. We doesn't even need a paper to do it. So let's go for the next trick, multiplication trick number 2. Fast multiplication by 11. So if you want to multiply any number with 11, we can do it in few seconds only, even for the larger numbers. First of all, let's see for the smallest numbers. For example, we will take 54 into 11. In this technique, we'll write it as 5-4. We'll give space between 5 and 4, and then we'll be adding 5 and 4, that is 5 plus 4 will do, and that sum is written between 5 and 4, like as we have shown in the first point. We'll write it like that. 5-4 will write. In that space, we'll be writing 5 plus 4. We'll be adding the extreme digits, that is we got it as 9. So we'll write the answer as 594. So 54 into 11 is equals to 594. So that's the answer. See how simple it is. Let's see other example. 78 into 11. We'll write 7 8 and we'll leave space in between. 7 plus 8 is 15. So here we have to always remember that if we got the sum in 2 digits, that is here we got it as 15. So then what we have to do? So in the gap in between 7 and 8, we'll write 5, and that 1 will be carried towards the next number, that is with the number at the left end. So the answer will be 7 plus 1 8, 5 8. So you got the answer, right? So let's go for 32 into 11. So we'll write 3 towards the extremes and between we'll leave space. 3 plus 2 is 5. So answer will be 352. So 32 into 11 is 352. Next, let's see other few examples. 11 into 25. 2 space 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. So we had to write the answer. So 275. The answer is 275. Next one, 57 into 11. 5 and 7 are written, dash, and then 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. So as I said before, we'll write the units digit, that is 2 in between, and 1 will be carried to the number which is at the left side. So the answer will be 6 2 7. So 557 into 11 is 627. Next one, 98 into 11. 9 8 will write between 9 plus 8 is 17. So here we'll write 7 in between, 7 in the gap, 1 will be carried. So the answer is 1078. So the answer is 1078. Next one, 63 into 11, 6 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, 693. So the answer is 693. 63 into 11 is 693. So we have done multiplication by 11 for smaller numbers. If the numbers are large, then let's see that is also a very simple technique. So let's see for larger numbers how do we multiply easily by 11. So we can do it in mind and write the answer directly as like before tricks. For example, we have 612352 into 11. So it's a big number, or in order to multiply with 11 you will be multiplying with each of the digits of this number. If we observe in this technique, we'll write the 0 at both the extreme ends, that is before 6 and after 2 you'll be writing zeros, and then you will add each of the digits of this number likewise. Let's start from the right end, that is 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 5 is 7, 5 plus 3 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 6 is 7, 6 plus 0 is 6. So finally we got the answer, that is 6735872. So here is the answer. So 612,352 into 11 is 6735872. So I think you have understood the technique. We're writing zeros at the extreme ends of the number and then adding all the adjacent numbers to get the answer. It is really very easy. Let's see the other examples. Like the before one, we'll add zeros at both the ends. Like before only, you'll add 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 5 is 11. So that 1 should be carried. You'll write 1 here and 1 will be there. And now 6 plus 9 is 15, 15 plus 1 16, 6 you'll write here and 1 will be carried. And now 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 1 16, 1 will be carried. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 1 10, 1 will be carried. 3 plus 0 3 plus 1 4. So the answer is 466 406615. See, that's the answer. So let's see the next one. So here is 7849 into 11. So like before, we'll write 0 at the both ends, and if we add the extreme, we'll add the adjacent digits and we'll get 86339. If you want, check it. 0 plus 9 is 9. You'll write it at the right end. 9 plus 4 is 13, 1 carried. 4 plus 8 12, plus 1 13, 1 carried. 8 plus 7 is 15, 1 carried. 1 is carried, so 15 plus 1 16, 6, 1 carried. Likewise, we'll be solving this multiplication. Next one, 323542 into 11. Same, you'll write zeros at both the extreme ends and then you'll add digits and digits. you'll get the answer as 3558962. So let's see, 0 plus 2 is 2. We have written. Next, 2 plus 4 is 6. Next, 5 plus 4 is 9. 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8. 3 plus 2, 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Again 2 plus 3. Again 5. 0 plus 3. It's 3. So we got the answer right. Perfect. See, we got the answer in just very few seconds. Or to practice, we can even do even this uh, 11 multiply very easily. So just practice is just enough. We can do it in just few seconds and also with full accuracy. We doesn't need to use any paper. We can do it in mind, so that we could save our time in any competitive exams, and we can work smart. So here are the tricks. Try it and you'll get the answer in few seconds. If you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel, make progress. If you like this video, please do like and share and click the bell icon to get the notifications.